Hi, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing all of the little extra bits and pieces from the February 2026 Inklings collection. Okay, so let's start with the pouch. This is the pouch subscription this month, and you might be thinking it looks a little bit different. Well, you're not wrong, it does. Let me show it to you. It is so beautiful and thoughtfully designed. I'm really excited about this one because it has a smooth, like almost, vegan leather texture, I guess. That's what I'm gonna call it. Somebody may have better thoughts for that, but that's what it feels like to me personally. It has this really nice, high quality, like durable zipper on it. And then on the inside, it has this dark inner lining. Now, as you can see from looking at it, it has this really fun shape. Obviously it came folded, so that's why I'm pushing out the bottom. So it's like I absolutely love it. It's like a half moon type, I'm doing a very bad job of describing it, but hopefully you can get a look at all of the fun details, including the little name label on the front. It's just absolutely fun. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to put in a couple of items from the planner kit, the little mild liner. Then we also have washi tape and then a clip. And then I'm just going to throw in a couple of other of my fountain pens that are just sitting on my desk. And so there's just so much room in this pouch. I think it's deceptive, like how big it is, because there is still a ton of space in here, like so many more pens or rolls of washi tape or whatever you want to add. And I just want to make sure that the zipper is like, it is heavy duty. Like this is not just like a chintzy little zipper that you're afraid is gonna, rip off. And the details of like the stitching, it's really just a beautiful little pouch. And this is gonna go beautifully inside of like another tote bag or your purse or something like that to hold all of these little bits and pieces. It's a really, really great item. I'm very excited about this one. Okay, so next up is our stamp subscription. So look how fun this is. It's gonna help you create all of these beautiful little like clusters and backgrounds. And I saw Christine this month use this brush to create like a washi swatch, and it is so cool. You'll have to go and take a look at her projects this month, but they are amazing. So I love this because it gives you things that you can use together, but it also gives you beautiful decorative elements. So, and then also the backgrounds, it's not always easy to find, like if you want like a messy background and you want to layer rub-ons and stickers and things like that on top of it, it's not always easy to find those. So this is the stamp subscription. And again, like everything else, you can see the digital rendering and photos and examples of how to use it on our website. And then let's check out our dashboards. Now, the dashboards are really cool. And I say this every month, and every month it's, true, but they are so versatile. You receive both the A5 size and the personal size. They are the same artwork. They're just scaled to the correct proportions for the design. So let's go through the A5 first. So you can see there's this nice full one that says February and has the pen and all of the geometric designs on the outside. And then we have this one that says a blank page is just an invitation to begin with all of the little paintbrushes. Sorry, I was struggling there for a minute. Okay, and then this one with the typewriter, to create is not to perfect, but to give life a story never expected. I must admit, this one is my personal favorite. I just love it. I'm a rainbow lover to begin with, and then it's just super fun. Now this one we have with the ink bottles and the pens and the paints, and it's so inspiring, honestly, and I absolutely think it would be amazing framed on the wall in your office or craft room if you have such a place. And then also this one with the traveler's notebooks and the pens and desk supplies. I absolutely love it. It's really cool. So again, I think that sometimes people get very hung up on the phrase dashboards, like, oh, I must use this in my ring planner. And that's absolutely not the case. These are great for so many different purposes. I'm even looking at both of these, as a matter of fact. And you could totally cut these out and have really big die cuts that would be so fun to use. Like if you're like, I love this, but I don't know what I'm going to use it for, cut it up and use it in your projects, your journaling or your scrapbooking, your planner even. Okay, so now then there are also the same dashboards, if you will, in personal size. And so you can see we have the February, blank page, creating, life in grayscale, the dream it, plan it, write it, do it, and then also this other one with all of the other bits and pieces, the write it down, keeps together tools. Okay, so that's the dashboards, and wonderful, wonderful, wonderful product. And if you have a fun use for these, or if you framed them or whatever, we would love to see that. Come over to the Coco Daisy fan page on Facebook and share your photos of how you've done that, because we would love to see that, or what different uses you use them for. That would be amazing. All right, so now this month we also have an a la carte stamp set. That means you can buy it individually. It's not available as a subscription. And that is this nice, super cute typewriter font alphabet stamp. And so you can see there's also the numbers, and then we have some punctuation and special characters as well. So you can purchase this one and use it in all your projects. It's so cool because this is kind of the perfect size, honestly, because you're not going to probably make a ton of 12 by 12 scrapbooking layout titles with it, though maybe some, but it is perfect for headers and subtitles and things like that. So it's just really, really very, very usable. So you'll be able to find this on our website as well. So make sure you check out all these items and pick them up. And as always, you can see photos, digital renderings, and project ideas on our website. Hey, it is time for stickers, and stickers do we have. The Inkling collection is full of color and all kinds of great images. So let's take a look. I'm going to start with the calendar sticker kit. And these stickers are sized and formatted to work in both the Daisy Weeks notebook and also a Hobonichi Weeks planner if you are using one of those. So as you can see, there's just a lot of color, and you have the dates and the days of the week header, plus some little icons. We also have the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. We have so many cute little images, and these are also, like the calendar sticker kit, formatted to work in our Daisy Weeks notebook and also in a Hobonichi Weeks planner. So this is the vellum sticker sheet, and you can see it has both decorative little stickers and then also washi type strips plus some dates. We have a similar format here, but we also have some headers and some trackers down at the bottom. Then we also have some large trackers, like you could write, take a walk, meal prep, whatever it is you do. And then some larger rectangular stickers. And also then some boxes of various sizes and different shapes. And then at the bottom, you can see there are also a handful of decorative stickers as well, little boxes. And then we have some days of the week, which these work. You can put those little date stickers in the little white boxes, and also some icons, and then some headers here as well, and some decorative stickers. So that is the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. Now we have our Daisy add-on sticker kit. This is a great sticker kit because it's not formatted or designed specifically for any type of planner or notebook or anything like that. So you can use these in any project. So we have some decorative stickers and then also some little phrases down at the bottom. A sheet of super cute decorative stickers, both watercolor slashes and then also just some images. And then a whole sheet of alphabet stickers. And then a sheet of vellum decorative stickers as well. And at the bottom there are a handful of the washi type strips. So lots of color and lots of fun images in the Daisy add-on sticker kit. We now have our Bible journaling sticker kit, and this one has this first sheet is our vellum stickers. So they're a little bit transparent and a little bit more thin than some of our traditional paper stickers. Then we have a sheet of decorative stickers. Then we also have a sheet of washi type strips, and then also some dates down at the bottom as well, which can be helpful if you want to do like a daily scripture or something like that. All right, next up is our sheet that has a whole bunch of different phrases and then also some label stickers down at the bottom. So you can see these have colored backgrounds and then these have white backgrounds. And then there is also a full sheet of alphabet stickers, and at the bottom there's some little icon or bullet point type stickers. And then a full sheet of different labels. So you have some that have like a thinner background and are a little bit fancier, and then you have some traditional labels, and then also these that look like notebook paper. So that is the Bible journaling sticker kit. Next up is our memory keeping sticker kit. This sticker kit, the boxes are 2 inches wide. So they work perfectly in our Daisy planner, which the vertical has 2-inch wide columns, or in a big happy planner. Obviously you can use them in any project you like, but if you are very specific about how you like them to work, then those are the planners for you with this sticker kit. So you can see there is a full sheet of boxes, and then at the bottom there's a couple of washi type stickers. Then we also have another sticker sheet that is very similar. There is also a vellum sticker with sort of like some prompts, right? Like you can use these to prompt some journaling or use with your photos, things like that. Then there is a full sheet of our decorative stickers and a full sheet of alphabet stickers, both upper and lowercase. And then we have some phrases. These work great with photos, so like layering them on top of photos. A handful of circular stickers, date stickers, and then also some washi type strips. And then we have a sheet of our vellum stickers, which are decorative and then have some phrases as well, but there's lots of the watercolor splashes this month. So this is the memory keeping sticker kit. And if you like to memory plan or, decoratively journal, that is a great sticker kit for that. All right, next up is our classic cousin sticker kit. These stickers are sized to work in an A5 planner, specifically an A5 Hobonichi cousin, but that's only because of the width of the columns for the rectangle stickers. Otherwise, these are just ever so slightly smaller since it's designed around an A5 planner. So you can see we have a sheet of decorative stickers and then also some little phrases at the bottom. And then we have our full boxes, which this is what I was talking about. The width is the same size as the width in the vertical weekly section of the Hobonichi cousin, the A5. And then the same thing is true for this sheet as well. And on both of these, you have different boxes at the bottom for writing. Then we also have a sheet that has both alphas and then date stickers and some washi type strips. And then also a sheet that has trackers and checklists and then some reminders. And also a sheet with icons and days of the week stickers. And a vellum sticker sheet with lots of decorative elements, including some washi type strips. So that's the classic cousin sticker kit. And then also we have our planner sticker kit. So this one is great for if you use a planner that has 1.5 inch wide vertical columns. So for example, a classic happy planner or the traditional Erin Condren, this works great for that. So we have, first up, we have the bullet stickers. You just peel them off and use them as like you would checklists, but they actually work great for lots of other different things as well. So first is this sheet of vellum stickers that are the washi type strips and then the little watercolor splashes. And then we have a decorative sheet of stickers, a sheet of different boxes, little that you can write in the boxes, some trackers, and then some headers and our hydration boxes. And then also this sheet, which has labels and our hexagons, some headers, reminders. Then we have some boxes that have checklists and trackers, and then also the dates. And then a sheet of the decorative boxes. These are the ones that are 1.5 inches wide. And then plus down at the bottom, you can see that there are a couple of decorative washi type strips. So that is the planner sticker kit. And you can see on our website both digital renderings and photos of these stickers.